Oh, what else are you gonna do on a Saturday morning? I'm gonna go back to work. Rush job. But first, a nice cup of coffee. Let there be light. So this is the monster I need to turn. Customer wants this hole to be bigger. It's now 80 millimeters and it needs to be 90. So let's dial this surface in and see how much it's going up and down. Give it some wax with the hammer and put in my machine tools. Dialed in the front surface. This is good enough. So let's go. There she goes. Nice long stick out. It's an anti-vibration tool. Start a little shy because as you can see it wobbles a little bit. Don't want to send it to hell. Can you see the vibration? Because of the keyway. Depending on my tool, this is going to be a fun project. Number 3. Almost there. Just 1.5 millimeter left. This took 1 hour and 30 minutes. So this is the size I'm aiming for, 90.02. I set up my tooling, so let's see where we at. Just started the finish cut. Let's hope the finish is nice. So this is the size I'm aiming for. This is the minimum size. I can go 300ths of a millimeter higher. So 0.2 is the minimum. 90.02 is the minimum, and the maximum is 90.05. So here's it 100th oversize, but that's not a problem. Here's in the tolerance I want. And here's also 100th, 200th oversized. That's not a problem. Gonna approach this keyway that's needed. So I'm done with this thing. Kicked it out within 3 hours. Another happy customer and some animals that they gonna get some feed. So I'm done, lights out. Goodbye. Going back to home, fire up my barbecue, make some nice food.